Downloader works just like a web browser. So we can type in any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. Or have a short code for you, which is so much quicker. 370178. Hey, what's going on, guys? Are you looking to watch the World Cup on your Amazon Fire TV stick on applications you can't find in the Amazon App Store? Follow along. I'll show you how to get it for free. Check this out. First thing we need to do, hit the magnifying glass, pull down, and in search, we're going to select that. And we're going to type in the letter D for downloader. Comes right up really quick. You may need to type the whole word downloader, but it should pop up quickly. This is downloader, the orange icon we are looking for, so select it. If you don't already own it, get it, download it, and install it onto your device. So just click download, and it throws it into the queue and puts it on our Fire TV stick. Guys, if you like what you are seeing, please share this with one of your friends. I bet you they want to watch all this stuff too. Once it's downloaded, hit the home button on our remote, head on all the way over to the little race car driver. And then we pull down and highlight My Fire TV. Yours may say My Device, and it might be down here depending on the version of Fire Stick you have. So select it. I have developer options listed here. If you don't worry. Highlight About, select it. And here it says Fire TV Stick. Yours may say 4K or whatever version yours is. If you have a Fire Stick, select one of the new ones. This will not work, sorry. So select Fire TV Stick about 7 to 10 times, and now it says no need, you're a developer, or congratulations, welcome to developer options. So if we back out one, back to the settings, and developer options is listed. If you don't have it listed here after doing that and getting the congratulations or no need, you're already a developer, unplug your device, wait for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, go back to the menu for the settings and My Fire TV, and then developer options will be there for you. So select on it. We have ADB debugging, turn that on. Come down, install unknown apps. Now if you have an older Fire Stick, it's just going to be on and off right there. Okay, easy peasy. If you have a newer version, select it, look for downloader, highlight it, select it, turn downloader on. This allows downloader to sideload applications onto our Fire Stick. This is what people call jailbreaking. You don't jailbreak a Fire Stick, you just change an option. You don't jailbreak Android devices. Yes, I know that. Head to the home screen. Let's find downloader. So, you watching? Highlight 3 squares plus sign. Select it. Come down. We have downloader listed right there. We can use our 3-line button on our remote, and it comes up with a little sub menu here, and we can just highlight, move to front. Now downloader is now up front and center of our shortcuts menu. Boom, 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 boom. Download right there. You're going to use this as your new app store, folks. Select downloader. Yes, allow downloader to access photos, media, and files. Say allow. Downloader works just like a web browser. So we can type in any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. Or have a short code for you, which is so much quicker. So we have this little red cursor, circle, and it works just like a mouse. So up, down, right, left. In the center is our select button. So if we go up, highlight the search field and select it. Give it a moment. And it brings up a keyboard. Now on this keyboard, this is the short code. 3, 7, 0, 1, 7, 8. And then we'll hit next. And this will redirect the short code straight to the Led by the Unknown's webpage for the download section for our new app store. Once the redirect is completed and the page is loaded, use the little 3-line button on our remote. And here it says favorites and add page to favorites. So if we do that, we've now bookmarked our page. We can save it. And then when you hit it again, favorites is there, our bookmark's there. You click on it and it automatically brings it up. No redirect, no worry about having to remember the short code. On this page, we have some tutorials. Please watch them. We have the apps themselves. Please check them out. All the latest and greatest. There is some old stuff in here. That's okay. A lot of it still works. Let's head down. I always suggest get yourself a nice reliable VPN. Take out your phone, scan this QR code, get yourself up to 82% off IPVanish today with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Secure your online privacy. This works on your phones, on your Fire Sticks, on your Android devices, your Apple devices, your PCs, everything. Get yourself a nice, reliable VPN. So, all the best apps for June 2026. We will get that installed. So, sports, more sports. We're looking for sports, right? Click, instant download, install, bottom right corner, highlight, install, click on it. Once the app's installed, highlight done. And then here it asks us to delete the installation file. And yes, confirm the delete so we no longer need it taking up space on our device. If the pop-up shows up, please join our email list and get all the great advice. Another sports. This does go to a second page. There is a little countdown here. Just wait till the counter's done. Don't click on anything yet. Comes up with this, download new tab. So just highlight the blue or highlight the white download arrow, click on it. This will download it to our device. And again, same as the last one. We wait for it to queue up. Down the bottom right, click install. Give it a few moments for it to install onto our device. Please, friend, I know you have someone you would love to reach out to and be like, check out how to get these on your Fire Stick. Let them know. Do it for them. Done. Delete the installation file. Confirm the delete. Now here we gotta push the back button once, possibly twice, to get back to the page. And we have some other options for movies, live TV, and TV shows. Down the bottom right, click install. Highlight done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Now guys, check out the rest of the applications available for you to download. You don't have to stop right here just because I'm stopping. This is a demo to teach you how to do this for the rest of your life. It's like teach a man to fish. Let's click on Kodi. Please check that out. If you have any questions, select the download for Kodi. Now Kodi is a bigger application. It does need more space. If you get a pop-up to say you don't have enough space, find an app you don't ever use, delete it, and throw Kodi on. Bottom right corner, click install. And then we'll highlight done and click on it. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. And we go back to the home screen. Now let's go to the 3 squares plus sign and check out Kodi. Last application we installed at the very bottom. Click on Kodi. We'll say continue. Allow. This is the first run. When this starts up, it'll be just plain old cold. When this starts up, we'll get just plain old Kodi. Settings. System. Add-ons. Slide over, come down, unknown sources, select. That turns it on and say yes. Back out one with your remote. Up here, File Manager. Add source. Select in there, we get a keyboard. Here we're going to type in our URL, HTTP. We have a semicolon, we need a full colon, so use the shift key. And you go over full colon, // and we got to go dig in here. Alrighty, here's the URL for you to type in. Once you have it typed in, click OK. Now, HTTP or HTTPS, depending. Sometimes one works, one doesn't. I've always had HTTP work, so you never know. It gives you a name, select OK. We back out one, and here add-ons. Come down to from zip, our name, our zip file. Up in the top corner, says it's ready. So we go to repository, our name, and then program. A bunch of different versions to do here. Cleanest one, we have a wizard. It does not auto run anymore. It no longer auto runs, so click install. Give it a moment here. Has a little percentage meter, so we're at 0%. It'll work its way up. It'll do some flashies here. Take a minute. So we're at 33%. It's ready. So if we get this, we're ready. If we couldn't get to this screen, you typed in your URL incorrectly. Now, it used to auto do everything. It doesn't anymore. That's okay. Click Chef again. Down at the bottom left, open. Build. Click. One of these two. They seem to switch every time I try it, so I'll do the first version. Ready, say continue. There we go, folks. I really appreciate the fact that you are still here and following these guides. These are guidelines to help you learn to do this for your Fire Stick. If you don't come back, I appreciate the fact that you came at least once. If you think this is the same video over and over and over again, it is. The only way I can really get to more people is if you watch it and share it. So please share this with a friend. The videos may seem very mundane if you watch them all. I would definitely agree. But the more videos I pump out, the more people like you get to learn how to do this with your Amazon Fire TV stick. So I thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Apparently it helps out with the algorithm. All right, that's done. It wants to force close Cody. Click OK. You're welcome. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace.